Alright, so here we are with the first test. Right now the microphone is set up in its natural native position, which is just sitting on your table, in front of you, between you and your keyboard, pointing upwards while you look at your screen without anything obstructing your view, such as a boom arm. Of course, if you want a boom arm, you can go ahead and install one. That being said, this is what it sounds like. Right now I'm just kind of pounding on the table. Here I am clicking on my mouse. Here I am, typing stuff on my keyboard. Right now we are about 1.5 feet away from the mic, and it sounds like it is far away. It is what it is. Of course, we cannot change the gain levels and reduce the background noise, but we could do some post-processing tests and see what the microphone sounds like if we wanted to go ahead and do that podcasty type of voice by bringing it up close, getting the right distance between the mic, and doing some adjustments to the audio. As a normal microphone, it's going to do pretty well. I mean, if you're just looking for chat or Zoom, it's going to be just enough. Of course, if you're looking for something that is much clearer, well, nothing is going to be better than a microphone that's closer to your mouth for a more natural sounding audio. However, if you go ahead and speak into the microphone about, let's say 9 inches away, slightly off axis to prevent any pops, this is the kind of audio that you'll be getting. It's slightly better, less further away, still got that hissing in the background, but you could say that my voice is a little bit clearer. That being said, you're probably wondering what it sounds like if I go ahead and speak directly into it and do some pops. Well, you're going to hear some pops. Again, there's no sock, no dead cat, no wind muff, no windscreen. This is just, directly on the capsule itself. The poopity pop jumped over the poopity pop. So with that test, you can probably tell that the plosives are not as present. And that's, of course, because we're speaking further away from the microphone and not directly into it. And that's because we just simply can't. If we get close to the microphone, something like this is just going to make your friends deaf. Let's go ahead and see what a microphone sounds like if we go ahead and pull back about 1 meter away. I know, you didn't see that coming. I just switched to metric all of a sudden. Now we're about, let's say, 2 meters away. Slightly off axis. And by slightly, I mean 90 degrees. We're completely off axis. And, if you're looking for that, the screaming in my room voice, that's what it sounds like. And now if you speak really close to the microphone, this is what it sounds like. I know it's very uncomfortable. Now here's a quick noise floor test. And here is me talking with the fan running in the background. As you can hear, it is slightly present. If you're using Discord or Zoom, it's going to automatically cancel out some of that noise. And finally, here's the kind of the best case scenario. We're speaking into the microphone about 2 or 3 inches away, with an actual brand new sock onto the microphone itself. Speaking at a normal volume level, this is the kind of audio they can expect. So with that, let's go ahead and jump outdoors, see how it sounds like, and wrap this video up. Let's go.